Can you guess how many times the print statement will be executed? You will have 10 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. Correct answer is C, 6 times. Explanation. Outer loop. This loop iterates over the values I equals 0, 1, 2, so it runs 3 times in total. Inner loop. For each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop iterates over the values j equals 0, 1. This means it runs 2 times for each value of I. Since the inner loop runs 2 times for each of the 3 iterations of the outer loop, the total number of times the print statement is executed is 6 times. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.